We're back
with TR81 News Live, and we're here with your hosts, Carol
and Lola.
Today we're going to be talking about the Indian Ocean
Hold
trade.
on, I'm getting a call. It's Eva. She's in the Sultanate of Malacca.
To you, Eva.
Thanks, Caroline and Lola. Now I'm out here at the Sultanate of Malacca. The strait just opened up for Indian and Chinese ships to come and pass through.
Thanks, Eva. Wow, Malacca has really grown since the opening of the strait.
The Malay communities have merged with other cultures trading in their area.
Like the Sultanate of Malacca, Gujarat is prospering because they are both go-betweens for many states.
We have some footage of trade going on in the area after this commercial.
Astrolabe, look to the skies. If you have no idea where you're going or what you're doing, use the new and improved compass. Now you know.
Thanks for sticking with us. Here's the clip.
Now to Luke for weather.
Alright guys, since it's the summertime, now the winds are more powerful and they're blowing from the southwest over there. Back to you, Caroline and Lola.
We're back in the East African ports after some circumstances.
AKA monsoon winds.
Will you marry me and convert to Islam with me?
We'll be back after this commercial.
Paper, 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 paper. You can write on it. Made in China. Oh, yeah! It's gunpowder! Warning, not for children under the age of 10. We are not liable for any damage done. Are you sick of having a small, boring ship? Go bigger and better with the new and improved junk.
We're back with the top 3 books of this week.
At number 3 is The Book of Marjorie Kemp by Marjorie Kemp. At number 2 is The Travels of Ibn Battuta by Ibn Battuta. And at number 1, well, I'll just let him talk for himself. Back to you, Eva.
I'm here with Marco Polo, and we're talking about his book, Travels of Marco Polo. So, what inspired you to write this book?
I wanted people to know everything that was happening in China with the prosperity, wealth, trade, and syncretism, and all that.
Oh. So, a lot of Europeans are traveling outside now because of your book. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel really good that people want to be like me, or they want to be me, and I think they should, so,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, well, thank you for being with us today, Marco.
You're welcome. Thank you for,
Back to you, Lola.
We are now in Southeast Asia, where our cameraman got taken by the Mongols.
So, this is kind of, So, that's the end for TR80 News 1. Join us next time for TR80 News Dose. Bye.
A blooper reel.
Oh, am I supposed to be going now?
Yeah, you can go whenever you want. Hey, Luke,
Yes,
I'm gonna
I'm
need you to put
here.
that away.
Marco Polo to the...
thank you for having me.
Alright. Yes, I'm here with Marco Polo. Go on, go.
We're
back.
at TR81.
Oh, the marker. You spray my lights out.
Words with different.
Because the...
I wrote the words.
Thanks, Eva. Wow, Malacca has really grown since the opening of the strait.
The Malay communities have merged with other cultures trading in their area.
Like the Sultanate of Malacca, Gujarat is prospering because they are both go-betweens for many states.
We have some footage of trade going on in the area after this commercial.
Sit down. You too, Kara.
And today, wait, when is she coming in?
Right after dawn.
Oh, wait, oh.
So today, Carol.
Go.
Confucianism?